See you later, man. Love this little UMX Mig. It's a fun airplane, actually. So I'm flying at my full rates, 100% throws. There is AS3X, but that's it for this thing. Well, 2S 800, or sorry, 280 milliamp battery, and just, you know, a little bit of wind, nothing crazy. But it gets a little twitchy on the tailwind, eh? Oh, it's such a fun plane. I got lots of throttle response, and this one is for a buddy's estate. I patched it back together again. Glue, hot glue, foam tack, and tape, and it flies. Really fun. I like how simple it is, and I like EDFs, we know that. That's so much fun. I've got a 3-minute timer, so that's my 1-minute warning. I'm getting a little braver as I learn it and fly it a little harder. So I've got some 300 milliamp 2S little batteries. I think they're Venom. They're ordered from Great Hobbies, so this will keep this airplane happy and flying for a while to come. All right, just glide this thing in. Probably could catch it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's the only bad thing. You want to flare those landings in a little better than I did, just so you don't smack up that wing. There you go. UMX, a lot of fun. UMX Mig.